Off the road since 1978, this 1963 Maserati 3500 GTi has been patiently awaiting the restoration that it deserves. Silver with blue leather interior, an exciting opportunity to acquire one of Maserati's most desirable GT cars. Although it's not currently running, a significant investment has already been made on the car with approximately $30,000 spent on an engine rebuild. It also retains its rare Lucas fuel injection system, which often goes missing on these cars when they're replaced with carburetors. As one of just 441 examples produced, this rare original 3500 GTi offers the ideal foundation for a rewarding restoration.